Hi everyone, welcome to New Bear. We have a quick one today to show you how to join to the second side of a split ring. So I've completed all the stitches on the first side of my split ring and I've worked the stitches up to the point of the join on the second side. To make our join, we go down through our picot and pull up a loop from our core thread. Grab your shuttle, go through that loop. Now let's put our core thread on top of our work and we need it back underneath. So pull on your core thread to pull that loop back through your picot. It will also pull your working thread through. Pop your shuttle between your core thread and your working thread. And pull everything up. Wiggle it until you get everything back into place. And then continue with your stitches. Close your ring. That is your second side join for split ring. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you next time.